Are you curious about stepping into a revolutionary world of AI and unsure where to start? So, I have a solution for you. Introducing my new book, that is Building a Career in Artificial Intelligence, a practical guide for aspiring professionals. Now, what this book contains? A step by step roadmap to transition you in an AI career. This book covers the booming AI job market, the opportunities available, and what are the technologies you will need to learn, what are the essential tools you will need to work with and understand so that you can become compatible in AI as a professional. This book is for all the professionals or the students or anybody who is aspiring to become AI professional. It also covers how to build your personal brand, how to prepare for AI based interview questions, and how to crack the interview. It covers all the things from comprehensively and very systematically. So if you want to make your career in AI, this book is must have, and this book will help you to thrive in AI driven world. Why to wait? Grab this opportunity and deal with it. You can order the book from Amazon or Google Playbook, and for hard copy you can DM me. Have an incredible journey with AI. Thank you very much.